Welcome to Munich. Munich is famous for Bavarian tradition, beer festival and its Christmas market. If you like beer, you should come here, but the festival is in October and I'm here in December, so it's the right time for Christmas market. In this video, I'm going to explore Munich and its famous Christmas market. There are so many different Christmas markets throughout the city, but the main one and the busiest one and the most popular one is here in Marienplatz, and this is actually part of the old town, and a lot of people come here because of the architecture, and we start from here. And actually, don't just walk or do shopping, try to talk to locals. They're very friendly. Nowadays you will find Christmas markets all over Europe, but actually Christmas market originated in Germany 600 years ago. And if you're in the UK, you can see the famous Christmas market in Birmingham or Bath or other destinations. Last year I went to Bath and I made a video. Make sure to check that one out. While Christmas markets began in Germany, their story actually starts in Vienna with the December market. From Vienna in Austria, the tradition spread to Germany and other German-speaking parts of Europe. These early markets weren't festive at all. They mainly sold meat and essentials, but over time they transformed into vibrant gatherings with seasonal treats, craft, and music. Later in the 16th century, Martin Luther, a German priest, reshaped Christmas traditions. He encouraged gift-giving to celebrate Christmas. This new tradition made these markets even more popular, turning them into the festive hubs we know today. As you can guess by its name, Christmas market is all about Christmas. So here you can literally buy anything related to Christmas, like angel candle or ornaments or some other decoration for your Christmas tree. But many people come here for food. One of the traditional drinks that you can try in Christmas market is mulled wine, which is actually a spiced wine and it's served hot. It's not cold at all. But I think it's too early for alcohol and I don't really drink alcohol. So I went for the non-alcoholic drink, which is fruit punch. Actually, it tastes really good. It's very hot and it's really cold. It's -1 degrees. So I love it and it's sweet. Let me try to see how many fruits I can recognize in this one drink. I think it has apple, cherries, that's it. Or if you know any other fruits they add to this drink, just leave me a comment below this video. And as you can see, the mug is very cute and is actually customized for Munich Christmas market, and when you pay you actually leave some deposit because you have to bring the mug back. In recent years, Munich Christmas market has focused on sustainability, using eco-friendly materials and offering reusable mugs for drinks. One of the traditional Bavarian dishes is sausage or white sausage in general, and you can see here a Santa Claus with the sausage in hand. Actually, this is one of the most popular dishes here, and I had to queue, but let's try it. Basically, it tastes like mac and cheese, but very delicious. Käsespitzel is a traditional German dish that's perfect for the winter season. It's made with soft egg noodles layered with melted cheese and topped with crispy fried onions. You can also find this dish in Austria, Liechtenstein, and also Switzerland.
This is German French toast. It's the name Bavise.
Bavarian special.
What it has inside usually?
Plum inside, cranberry, chocolate, apple, or pistachio. €5, please.
Yeah, thank you. Christmas market is all about eating. So now I am going to try the sweet one because I actually asked which one is the most traditional one and they suggested this. So let's try it. It actually tastes good. Not too sweet. The sugar is around it, but it's very good. Christmas market and Christmas decoration make the city very pretty. And of course you want to just look at the stars, but it's nice to look around because there are so many pretty buildings and the architecture in the old town is just so gorgeous. The main attraction here is this building, the new City Hall. At 11 a.m. and noon, the famous Glockenspiel comes to life. The figurines dance and tell stories from Munich's history. I flew to Munich a few times, but actually this is the first time I'm visiting the city because every time when I came to Munich, I left for Austria. As you know, Munich is located at the foothill of the Alps and is very close to some of the best ski resorts in Austria. So you can fly to Munich and go to Innsbruck, and you can go to Kuta or other ski resorts in Austria. Viktualienmarkt, if I pronounce it right, it used to be a farmer market. But during the winter, it can be another Christmas market to visit. And actually, if you're visiting any time in Munich, you can visit this market. And it's great if you love to try different foods. In this food market, you can find everything from fresh produce and baked goods to Bavarian specialties like sausages and pretzels. It is also home to a traditional beer garden where you can relax with a cold drink and soak up the lively atmosphere. Just a 7-minute walk from the old town, you will find Munich Residence. And there is another market, Christmas market here. So I wanted to check it out. It's less crowded, but it's as beautiful as others. Christmas markets are usually romantic and it's fun to come with your friends. And somehow I found myself in Munich alone, and actually I came for a conference, so Bruno is not with me and I don't have any friend with me. But still it's fun, but believe me, if you are coming with a friend or a group of friends or with your partner, you will enjoy it more.